We will hold an event within the scope of our project called the digital transformation of nature, the key to global life. At our event, we will make a vacuum cleaner with an empty bottle. We need a fan for this vacuum and a bottle, empty bottle. We are writing the bottom of the bottle like this. After that, we start to cutting. And we are right here too and cutting. Of course, we need to be careful when do that. Yes, it seems work. After that, we have a fan. We need to file this for the fitted easily too. We need to open small holes on the bottle. We need to be careful when do this too. After that, we need to put in the fan on the bottle and use the silicone gun. Like this. It seems so hard, but it's really easy. It looks awesome. After that, we need to put the head on it and do a handle for this. Our mop is finally finished. Let's see how that works. Oh, it's worked awesome. I think that's great. Say your own things about this. I can't let you throw this away.
Why?
I will recycle this.
How?
What can I do with that? What can I do? Oh, I found. I can make a mop with this. We need a bottle, a small fan, 3 batteries and a scissors. Now, let's go. Now we just need to drive this like that from here. And after that, we need to cut it. You guys need to be careful when you do that. And you need to write here too for the makeup mop. And when we finish the cut, we need to do this for the easily sweep. And you need to do this like that. And now we are filing around the fan for the fit the bottle. And we get the cables from the gaps like that. And we need to place the fan in the bottle, but it's the most hard thing. We fix the fan to the bottle with silicone gun. Attach the two pieces together. And we are taping them with this. See what will come out. And I do a handle for our mop. It's finally finished. It's look amazing. Our mop is finally finished. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's worked awesome. I think that's great. Say your own things about this.